In this following episode of Summa Talkies, I'm in conversation with Preeti Bharadwaj, a Bharatnatyam and a contemporary dancer based out of Chennai, Bengaluru, Chennai. Where is she actually based out of? Let's find out. Stay tuned. Super. Oh Maya Namaha. By the time I could get this call together, I should be given one special award for today to myself. Who will give the award? Me. Who will it be to? It will be for myself only. Okay? After that, what question you details and all, you people can DM me and ask me. Okay? Happy? Everybody good? Hello everybody, somebody, nobody, one body, two body, three body, four body, five body, infinite number of bodies. Why are we doing this? We are going to bring one big change in this society. Said nobody ever. Okay. Why are we doing all this? We only don't know. What are you going to know, man? Nonsense fellow. So, coming back to Mudda. Okay. Whom do we have today? கவலைப்படாதே சகோதரி, இந்த வீடியோ நல்லா வரும் கவலைப்படாதே சகோதரி. அம்மா முடியல. I cannot believe this. After what 3.5 weeks of chasing, finally I have gotten the Instagram celebrity and everybody's favorite dancer, Preeti Bharadwaj aka Nattu Mami.
Oh my god. Hello. Hi everybody.
Yes, you should notice how I actually called you Preeti Bharadwaj aka Nattu Mami and Nattu Mami, not Nattu Mami aka Preeti Bharadwaj. Because everybody, everybody, I'm not even kidding. They're like Preeti Bharadwaj. Oh, I don't know. Nattu. Oh, her. And I'm like, oh, so that's what that means. Which is why, no, you've become such a popular Instagram personality. Like there are you could actually legally change it in some documents as Nattu Mami Bharadwaj.
Okay, I must tell this at this point. So I was called as a chief guest to some event in a college. And they announced my name as Nattu Mami to call me on stage.
See, I was correct. I was telling it correctly only. I'm telling you, you should just say Preeti Nattu Mami Bharadwaj.
I don't know. I remember I tried many names when I had to create the handle and nothing worked. I'm sure this happens to everybody. This was a name that was given to me when I was 19.
Okay.
Few years before that only I had started playing Nattu Angam and everybody was like, oh my god, you're playing Nattu Angam. For me it was really new. Bayam, all that. Fear and all that. But then these people in college, my dance team actually, they started calling me, hey, Nattu Mami.
I'm just like, dude, this is ruining Nattu Angam to people when you reduce Nattu to nuts.
Yeah, nuts. This is not at all the end. There was one guy on Instagram who messaged me telling, hey, ivlo nala I thought nattu kind poi da nee onna Nattu Mamin koopadra appadina. I said that works too, no problem.
Yeah, that also works actually.
It's it's an elastic name. Okay,
I know, such an elastic name.
Yeah, so
this actually reminds me of my Instagram username story. Okay, what happened with mine was there was this one friend. Oh wait, did I just kill her? No, she's alive only. This one friend of mine who like went out and out condemning my singing, saying wow, horrible voice, and all she said. And last she's one of those people who will not message at one shot. She'll say yada peda chada, cheese. So she was that person, right? Tuck, she messages. So obviously, see, back then, now I think about it, like I can probably talk about it in a really funny way. But that time I was genuinely hurt. Because you just don't take it in, right? It's only after a point you're like, okay, I know what to take in and I know what not to take in and all that. No. So that time, this girl comes and she's like, and she finished with that last name. She's like, oh, so you're apparently a singer. I was like,
oh.
And then a few months later only Instagram happened. Before that and all, I wasn't there on Instagram. And then I'm looking into it, I'm like, apparent singer, it is there. So I never had a problem registering on Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, Facebook, no problem, because nobody has thought about it only, dude. Now, if proud moment for me, okay, without all your SEO, PSEO and all that algorithm, pulgorithm and all. If somebody puts apparent singer Instagram, my profile pops in first. So that is like my victory I have. Thank you. Thank you, dear friend. Thank you, dear ex-friend. Yeah. So, listen.
Yes.
So you had the so straight to this thing. How do I know Preeti? I know Preeti Bharadwaj more. Like, and I'm very proud to say this also. I know Preeti Bharadwaj as a person more as a dancer. Okay, I'll tell you why. This also there is story, proper proof I'll give. Okay, so when Preeti had met me, this happened a few years back, and Preeti actually happened to meet me. She was in Bangalore at that time, and she had come
At
to Chennai.
ALM Pranavam.
Hey, not ALM. So ALM happened. Okay, ALM, she saw me with this thing beard and all. She's like, "Dey, enada Swami Karam madri marita," and all. She was asking me. She was damn shocked and all that. And after that, another trip you did. You came down and then you were like, "Dude, we like meet at a proper place like for lunch and
Pedrenos.
stuff." We met in Pedrenos. Okay, and we ate and we chilled, and then we took a picture and she tagged me. Dude, you will not believe, there were some 2-3 people who were asking me, do you know her like personally well, or like is it like you guys just were probably talking online and then you were like, let's meet, and I'm like, dude, no, dude, I'm serious. Like, if you think I'm like if I'm like exaggerating, this is not even funny. There are actually people who are telling me, hey, you know her, holy shit, she's such a good dancer and all. And then I was just thinking, wait, I have seen you dance like once. Okay. And most of the times we've only met in some of this gig or some of these random events like that. Okay. And so Preeti and I were in the same college in Christ, that time university, now no university. Okay. So
now no university.
Yeah. It's soon to be university or something like that. They've taken off university. You see their logo now.
I've really grown old.
Yeah. அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் தேவையில்ல. Some bus I saw, dude, last time I went to Bangalore, and then it I think it happened right after I graduated, right after the 2013 or 2014 batch it got in that. No, I think 2015 batch or one of those. It was right after all that set of us just graduated simultaneously at one point, then it suddenly started out with this Christ soon to be university. So it's just Christ now. Yeah.
Okay, I see. Okay.
So this thing go long back, okay? Our madam lady was one queen in culturals. Like, she used to genuinely kill it in culturals and all. And then I was also there. I was like, all this downplaying and all will not work over here, okay?
Queen anyway.
Yeah, nothing. Oh, so many provinces you had, you don't remember which queen you were also. Okay, fine.
I'm reading Ponniyin Selvan now every night. In my head, I'm like, okay. I'll just imagine myself as a queen of one of the provinces. Yeah,
cool. Here is the person who's like the mother of all downplaying. How to downplay skill number 101. This is okay. So I was totally new to the cultural team, because it's only in the last 6 months that it hit me that I should do something for myself, and I started singing for these competitions and stuff like that. And that's how we actually got to know each other. And so for those of you who don't know, she's somebody who believes in like a lot of dramatics, and it's epic, okay? Like, you really want to indulge in that dramatics also, because it's really fun. We met in the food court and she did one of those slow runs for some distance of half kilometer or something. First of all, that requires that much strength, okay? Even I was doing that. And then there are people in the opposite side, they're just like, what is happening between these two people? So that's like this thing with Preeti, and I'm so proud of it, because having said all this popular and all that, it's your work, man. It's speaking volumes. A lot of people are able to relate to it, and it's one of those reasons why people are like, her, like it feels so epic when you know somebody very well and they actually happen to be somebody. It's a very Indian thing, but but when you see them really do well in their work, you're just like, oh wow, okay. Cool.
This means a lot.
I shall make a note. Yeah.
Thank you.
So what's
just going on? Avladhaan. No.
But man, like how is it like see, one thing is you have it in you, okay, and this is something I've always realized. You're somebody who hustles like mad, okay, like tuck, and you're just shifting in productions, and you've been dancing with people. Obviously now because of the lockdown and everything's gone in for a toss and whatnot. But otherwise, before all this, the amount of work that you were having for yourself every time, I would always be surprised because first of all, how many people can you go and hustle with, dude? Like after a point, even I get damn tired. I'm just like, hey, chill, dude. I want to sleep, but where is that energy coming from? What are you eating? What are you eating? Tell the secret right now, I say.
So for a year, it's mostly been kind of bland food, da. Anyway,
Right.
I'm just here. Yeah. Anyway, coming back to your question. So you know
Yeah.
when you decide to become a freelancer,
Right.
a dancer freelancer,
Hmm.
at a younger age,
Right.
you really want to do a lot of things.
Yeah.
And that is a point when you really do not know what you truly seek.
Yeah.
But you would like to try out your hand at different branches of dance too.
Right.
So, yeah, and I feel things just happened, really.
Okay.
Christ happened. I was working at
Mm-hmm.
a IT company. I was there
Mm-hmm.
for 9 days and I just stopped going, like how you would just stop going to school. So I just stopped going. And then some of my very good friends from college, they were
Right.
like, no, you just need to get into full-time dancing. And, you know, I was really blank. You know, I had what do I say? Of course, I had a training, but then I was not. I didn't know if I wanted this
Do you
full time
probably want to
dancing.
expand a little bit on the training bit? See, if somebody says that you have to get into it full time, it's probably because they've seen you dance and they sort of know that you have it in you to kind of make it full time. So I'm sure you would have had some good amount of training. So probably if you could go a little back and briefly put me through the training bit a little bit.
So I started learning Bharatanatyam from my gurus in Bangalore, B. Bhanumati and Sheila Chandrasekhar. I think when I was
Okay.
7.
Okay.
I saw one of their performances. My teacher is known for group choreography.
I see.
So as a child, I saw it and I told my mom, no, I want to join. So you
Right.
know, it was that point where you join keyboard class, you quit. You join basketball, you quit. You join painting, you quit. So she thought this is going to be one of those.
Right.
So this passing of the statement which goes like okay இதையும் சேர்ந்துக்கோ எப்படியும் விட போற. I mean it really doesn't matter to a 7-year-old. It's okay, Amma will tell like this, but she's taking me right. That's all. Yeah. So anyway, I went, I joined. I still remember. I really didn't know that I had to go with a fruit tattu and it's not like I would not say why didn't my mother remind me. It's nothing like that. We just went because also we
Casually,
knew them and we were like okay, போய் சேரணும் கத்துக்கணும் அவ்வளவுதானே அப்படினு. So I still remember I was wearing a blue frock and I just walked in and I said I want to learn. It was very cute. She used to teach in her house in Jayanagar. So yeah, it started and I have been with her from when I was 7. Even now I learn from her.
Okay.
I learned from them, my teachers B. Bhanumati and Sheila Chandrasekhar, both of them in Bangalore.
Right.
So this journey with them with respect to dance training didn't start and end only with dance. You know, they saw us, not only me, I have a lot of colleagues. We all grew up together. You know, they saw my parents saw me grow up in the house as a girl child. But they saw many girl children grow up.
Right.
You know, discussing a lot of things with them. And as we grew, I remember high school kapram எந்த stream எடுக்கிறதுங்கிறது amidst the colleagues, and then used to talk to our teachers, and until I got married and I moved to Chennai. I mean, even now they're still part of my life so much as my parents, I must say, because they really understood who I was, I became, etc.
Right.
So and of course my teachers have been real epitomes of what freedom that freelance dancers or dancers today crave for from their teachers. Okay.
Lovely, yeah.
So yeah, when they've always been generous, and when they just said go enna venalu pannu, it's okay abdinu, because the thing is I feel they knew that I'm somebody, it's home for me. Like in the end you're going to go back home and crash.
Yeah.
வீட்டுக்கு போய் அந்த பருப்பு சாதம் with நெய் only is comfort. So
Nice.
என்ன வேணாலும் பண்ணப்போ
Well put.
just you know what's good. We are there here for you. I mean, such things are enough.
Fair,
So
fair,
yeah,
fair.
I mean, college did a big difference as I grew up, and
Right.
from when I was a child, I started dancing with my dance teachers group, like all of us do.
Right.
That's a very big learning curve
Okay.
because you initially she'll take you in her car, you go this thing, and then you grow up, you understand where you're performing. We've never asked younger program.
You
okay?
kind of get the system around a little bit. Yeah.
You understand how things work. You understand technicals going fully wrong, and then etc etc. You grow up with
Right.
it. And when I came to Christ, trust me, I came from an English medium school, but then we all used to talk in Kannada. It was really not
okay.
like one of the schools. It was a state board school where we spoke Kannada predominantly.
Yeah.
And when I came to Christ in 2006 for my first PU, it was just too much for me to handle. 3 மணி college விட்டா 3:20 I used to be in the house even after taking a bus. That is from Dairy Circle to Jayanagar in Bangalore, which is around 4.5
kilometers. Yeah.
So I used to be like that, and oh my God, it was too much. It was very overwhelming, Christ, in the beginning.
Right.
2 years of Christ, really. The first year I remember I saw dances. I mean, so many things, culturals la enna and all that. In school it was very simple. Okay, it was very cute. Like,
Okay.
it was very different. School culturals. College, Christ, you know. I mean, it's the hub. So
That is
when I
one
saw
world
all
only.
that, yeah, and slowly I got into the dance team and all that. I remember the first year when I was in my first PUC, I saw the group dance and I was like, oh my God. I think that's the first time I missed myself. Oh my God, நான் இந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல ஆடி இல்லையே அப்படின்னு.
Okay.
I think that's the first time I was like, my heart sank. I still remember. Oh my
Right.
God, அப்படின்னாச்சு. And also that beautiful stage of our university.
Yeah.
So a lot of things, and then yeah, of course I made friends.
Was this the PU this thing,
Yeah,
quadrangle?
2006. Not
Okay.
quadrangle. Main auditorium la.
Main
I was
auditorium.
just
Okay. Main audi.
yeah. It was inaugurated long back. 2006 la I was in first PUC, that is 11th according to the matriculation either.
Right.
So anyway, then I got into the dance team and it really took off from there. It was really beautiful, the journey, and through that dance team journey in Christ, I really saw a lot of things. You know, I met a lot of people into college culturals through Christ, especially when you go out of Bangalore. It really, even now I'm in touch with the NIT Trichy Culsec. Back then, I remember in 2008 I was in my first year degree and he was in his final year degree and he was the Culsec, that is cultural secretary in NIT Trichy. We are still friends.
Hey, that's lovely. Yeah.
So you know, things like this, we developed friendships across teams. Stupid rivalry. I mean, that time it was fun.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Ipo we're all friends. Okay, it was really fun, and this I must say was a take-off moment for me to understand how I can branch out and what my body was capable of understanding beyond Bharatanatyam.
Right.
I used to play sports in school. I mean, I used to be in the volleyball team. So yeah, I was into sports in school. So that kind of kept me active. And yes, I must say that post college, yes, I joined this IT company. I was there for 9 days, and then I got out, and my friends said, no, full-time dance try pannu.
Okay.
Really is so. I didn't know what to do. I mean, I think most of us freelancers, when we begin, we are all blank.
Yeah, we have no idea. Tell me about it.
Absolutely no idea. It's yeah. I think then my friends suggested, why don't you go back to Christ and join the performing arts department as a teacher. So yes, because I had just passed out, and then everybody knew me, so they took me, and it was very generous and kind of them to have taken me actually without a master's degree. They would not do that in Christ. But then since it was a new department and they knew that I had a fair amount of experience in the field, so they took me in and they said master's fund side by side. So that's how I did my master's in Bharatanatyam from Kalai Kaveri College in Tiruchi, affiliated to Bharatidasan. Off-campus Bharatanatyam course was like, I was like, how am I going to do this? But I had very good teachers, I must say. It was fun. I mean, that was another joyride again. Then after a few years, I came out of Christ University to just explore more. Even now, many teachers there think I am out for exposure and I'll come back one day as a professor there. Even when I go up to meet them, they think, തിരിച്ചു വരില്ലേ പഠിക്കാൻ പോയില്ലേ പുറത്ത്. So I was like, yes, don't know. അത് മതി. So well, I தெரியல. Anyway, then after I got to know that PhD is compulsory, I was like, well, no.
Definitely not. Like I think I'm also somewhere there, right? Like I'd probably go back to Christ just to see the buildings and come back. Never for one more course again.
No, I don't think. The thing is, I don't look at myself being a full-time professor in a college right now. I may be later. I don't know. I don't know yet. I can't say that because it's interesting to teach and develop pedagogy for dance.
Okay.
From what it was and from how we learned.
How? Okay.
So, since some of us are in this phase to develop pedagogy in dance and adapatila, when we think of, we feel we need this time to understand the world and its way, the dance field. In general, allied arts also. I think it's important to understand allied arts, to understand dance in totality. So, yes, adukapram I got into full-time dancing, Bangalore. See, it's not... every freelancer's journey is very different, and I really wish one day somebody makes a journal which has just short stories of each one's personal initial journeys.
Such an epic idea.
That'll be beautiful. Just the initial.
I know.
Beginning la eppadi irundhudu avladha, because adukapra ennaachingirudhu is all over the internet.
Yeah.
What happened in the beginning is something that's not at all there.
Nattu Mommy's followers, are you listening? Put in that fund, I say. Put it that fund.
You don't need a fund. You can just create a blog and ask people to keep adding on. Whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, to archive it, I was just thinking, because that is something that all of us, it's a very personal nerve for each of us.
So true.
Yeah. So each one different. I got a call suddenly from Parshwanath telling ஒரு program இருக்கு இதுன்னு, and things took off very fast and very as a dance company
listen. Just a little bit of this thing. If you could just tell his name, because there might be some viewers who might not be into the dance scene and stuff.
Sure. Yeah. Oh, his name everybody will know.
They'll know, but not people who otherwise follow dance religiously and stuff, right?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Nothing else.
So when I started off as a freelancer, of course, I told my teacher I want to do full-time dancing. So we did more. I did more group shows with her. I've always been dancing. So when she understood that I want to do full time, of course, performing gave more experience to understand even process of creation.
Right.
I worked with my teacher. We used to work on choreography. She used to ask few things. I used to choreograph and show it to her. She spent time in watching even the smallest thing I did.
Right.
I mean, this is very, really great of my teachers.
Right.
To do this. So in the Marla, I started off, and I used to also, I still work, of course, with Nritya Mayuri Upadhyaya, who is the artistic director of it.
Yeah.
So I started working with them, and then one day I got a call from Parshwanath Upadhyaya. And yes, that took off in a very fast pace. We became a dance company, started dancing. He called it Punya Dance Company, which still exists. So yeah, I mean, he has been doing a lot of interesting work, all of you know.
Yeah.
So what happened is, slowly, that's how it works in in many of the fields. They see you in one and they see, okay, freelancer, right? Okay, why don't you try this here, and blah blah blah, and then it just branched out that way.
Right.
And at that point, whatever came my way, I did.
You were taking it. Fair enough, yeah.
Just idpana understand this, da.
Fair.
There was no time to really assimilate things or think, and also I had to make money. So that didn't mean, of course, I did until the last bit of energy I had. like push. And so many of my friends, my seniors, they're like, yo, don't burn out like this, one night.
Yeah, dude, which is crazy, which is what even totally. I'm always like, dude,
and even
what does this woman eat? Bah! What is this?
Back then I never denied what they had to say. Of course, I understood, but you know, it didn't hit me.
Oh, like that.
Illa ipo pannala eppo la. And this this will be there in every freelancer in the beginning. Illa idu pannalam. And yeah, I started doing Nattuvaangam and I started freelancing in Nattuvaangam also. I started assisting dancers in that. In the madri, a lot of things. I started choreographing for colleges.
Okay.
So yeah, it's been a tremendous journey, I must say.
Right.
Because as a freelancer, the kind of people I got to work with, interact with, just meet. சும்மா பார்க்க கூட சான்ஸ் கிடைச்ச மாதிரிலாம் ஆனது. ஐ எம் ரியலி கிரேட்ஃபுல் to everybody who has been a part of my journey.
That's
and I decided to slow down 1 or 2 years ago. In general, I think it hits you at some point. That's it. There's no big reason to be published or anything. It's just
it's a
and then all my colleagues, seniors, sort of voices and all came about as like, oh, நீங்க அன்னைக்கு சொன்னீங்க எல்லாம் ஸ்லோ டவுன் பண்ணுங்க, ஓ நீங்க சொன்னீங்க எல்லாம் மசில் பர்ன் அவுட் ஆயிடும்னு. So I put everything together and I was like, okay, இப்பதான் அவங்க சொன்னதுக்கு எல்லாம் டைம் கிடைச்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னு. So and I'm really loving this phase that I've gotten into. I think every artist gets into it at some point, and I did at this point. It's been good. I think it's doing good to me, and I cannot relate to that old me for some reason. I cannot do 10 things in a day now. Truly, I cannot find meaning in it now. எனக்கு வந்து I've started feeling people who where they feel ஒரு விஷயம் பண்ணா அப்பா இமயமலையை தூக்கின மாதிரி அப்படின்னு இல்லையா. I am very happy and I totally understand them today.
Right.
Wow, எழுந்து மூச்சு விட்டு நீங்க தூங்கினாலும் பெரிய விஷயம் சார் அது. I really applaud you for that. It's just about survival மட்டும் நானா புரிஞ்சுட்டு இருக்கேன் இப்போ நான்.
Yeah, right.
So yes.
Holy shit, yeah. It's funny because it's very interesting to see the transformation that you have had, because I have seen you in the pre this thing and I'm sort of noticing you in the post this phase, right? And
people are shocked. So some
I don't have to talk about. Okay, you are, that's the thing, right? You're one of those people who are always a call away from me. I don't know if you've noticed this. Probably the other 85 people are also like this with you, because that's just you as a person. Okay, I can like call this so Preeti is one of those people, like you can just call, you can just be like, Macha, why are they putting too much cheese in Domino's pizza? And she'll talk about it. Like that is the level she has with everybody, and it's ridiculous, because sometimes when I think of it, you know, it's something I've always been actually very jealous of. I'm just like, dude, how? Like how? Okay. And ulta, this woman comes and tells me, so much energy, I have so much energy. I'm like, hey, what are you saying? You're like one planet's energy put in one human being over here. What are you telling me about, you know? She has this, I don't know, man, it's just this charm, I guess, where she just keeps everybody happy around her. How do you do it, man? How do you do it? It's what, some cholam something you're eating, some butta or something you're eating? What is this? Tell us.
சத்தியமா இதுக்கெல்லாம் எனக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணவே தெரியாது, because once people meet me and we all interact, it's just me, avladhaan. And I tell to people, strangers whom I don't like this word strangers anyway, when people whom I have not interacted with before message me on Instagram, so sweet. I mean, some of them say, நிறைய நாளா யோசிச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு மெசேஜ் அனுப்பணும்னு. See, you will know if it's a creep as soon as you
the minute you just see, right? The message itself,
But when some of them genuinely send things like, Nariya Nala, I've been waiting to send this to you. I've been waiting to think when I can send. I said, please, I'm highly approachable. Phone number only mattum dhaan podala. Adu mattum potrundena it will become a nuisance. People don't put. Otherwise, please feel free.
Yes.
So I make this, I think it's important to make yourself be approachable to people who really need you at some point. There's some people who message me on Instagram telling, illa summa hi sollonum dhaan vande, vera ondume illa, bye apdi poiduvanga. I said, it's okay, you tell me something, no problem.
It's probably because I'll be honest to you, it's probably just because how you are as a person, right? They're probably seeing that and they probably just don't want to like டக்குன்னு வந்து ஏதோ சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா மூஞ்சி லட்சம் மாதிரி ஏதோ சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா I don't know. Preeti is not that person, trust me. I totally mean this.
இதெல்லாம் நான் போஸ்ட் வச்சு ஓட்ட முடியாது. So
exactly, I completely get it. I know. Oh god.
So anyway, and one of my friends from dance class in Bangalore, she met another dance mate's mother. So she's apparently come and told her, ஐயோ இந்த டைம்ல எனக்கு பிரீத்தியை நினைச்சா ரொம்ப பரிதாபமா இருக்கு. இன்னைக்கு பெங்களூர், நாளைக்கு ஹைதராபாத், நாளைக்கு டெல்லின்னு போற பொண்ணு எப்படிதான் வீட்டுல இருக்காளோ அப்படின்னு. வேற எவ்வளவு விஷயம் இருக்கு கவலைப்படுறதுக்கு. தயவு செஞ்சு என்னை பத்தி கவலைப்படாதீங்க.
In fact, I keep telling this also. This entire lockdown, oh my god, I'm like spending time on lockdown is so overrated, okay? Like my life, for instance, my life was one beta version of lockdown before this also, okay? Even if I was stepping out of this house, I was only stepping out for work. And when I'm coming back, it's not like I have any social life also. So I'm just like, okay, this is like an app which was being put to test is now like being launched in one of the app store or play store or something.
I think we should just be in solidarity and
I swear.
வீடு இல்லாதவங்க என்ன நிலைமையில இருக்காங்களோ, அவங்கள பத்தி யோசிச்சா
நம்மளால ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல சத்தியமா.
So I think அத பத்தி அட்லீஸ்ட் அவங்கள பத்தி யாரோ ஒரு 2-3 பேரை பத்தி நினைச்சா அட்லீஸ்ட் நல்லதா நடக்குமா அப்படின்னு நான் வந்து I'm just thinking. I know physically முடியாது. So
don't worry, I think most of us at some point or another are with you on this, because அந்த என்ன சொல்றது, அது அதாவது எப்படி இல்லை, they were actually there's an image, okay, which actually showed how small coronavirus actually could be, like this thing, and it's literally that we're actually battling an invisible enemy if you think of it. And it's ridiculous how a lot of people who are probably like now have to suddenly be under the same place because of one invisible enemy. So it's
whole world it's put everybody at a standstill.
Tell me about it.
யாரா இருந்தா என்ன அப்படி
அந்த மாதிரி இட்ஸ் லிட்டரலி like that only.
Everybody
நானும் கிட்ட dude, you should see some of these memes. They are hilarious on corona, okay? Especially with these people are like stepping out and being all brave hearts and all. No, they'll put one of these Vadivels, this thing was like coming running to them and they'll have coronas, this thing plastered on his face and stuff. I'm just like, boss, after all this, despite being put in the funniest of ways, if you're not able to understand it, no boss, உனக்கு பட்டு கத்துண்டு தாண்டா புரியும். As draconian as I might sound, you know, because
no people who are not following the rules, this in spite of all our police force being in the sun day in and day out, அதுக்கு அப்புறமும் கேட்கலனா really I think they have to take extreme measures. And I don't know, I believe in science, so more than humanity I believe in science.
Fair.
For some reason
there's a meat shop bang opposite to my house, okay? Today morning, dude, there were some 35 people just waiting outside the place, dude. adula box போட்டா என்ன போடலனா என்ன. So that's become one convenient excuse, okay? The box kulla put in ninnaanga ella social distancing, I don't know. It's just crowded like mad outside, dude. I'm just like, dude, the whole purpose of it will go away even if that one person makes a mistake.
That I don't think, even when I went out to get some groceries and we saw ஒரு டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல நின்னாலும் I'm thinking that's not going to help அப்படினா பயமா இருந்தது. I don't know.
Yeah man, it's not the kind of thing we'd probably want to like think about also. It's just one of those things where we're like, அடுத்த 1 மணி நேரம் கரெக்டா இருக்கும்ல, அதுக்கு அப்புறம் அடுத்த 1 மணி நேரம் அப்புறம் then later not now I'm in that point, you know, where I'm literally watching like 1 hour of a show. I'm like, அப்பா கரெக்டா ஆயிடுச்சுடா, ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை வரலடா, அடுத்த எபிசோட் I'm like in that point right now. So yeah, it's quite crazy.
It's just one day at a time, one moment at a time. I don't know.
சத்தியமா.
But I'm just hoping and praying. எனக்கு தெரியல.
அதெல்லாம் டோன்ட் வரி. அதான் எங்கள் எல்லாருமே அதுதான், எந்த ஒரு ஃபார்முலையாக இருக்கட்டும், அது வந்து ப்ரேயிங்காக இருக்க வேணாம், ஏதாவது ஒன்று யோசிச்சுட்டு அப்பா முடிச்சு தொலையக்கூடாதா, எங்கேயாவது வந்து தொலையாதான்னு. பட் இட் வில் டேக் டைம். ரியலிஸ்டிக்காக சொல்கிறத போகிற போக்க பார்த்தா இது கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுக்கும், கொஞ்சம் எடுத்து இது வரதான் வரும். ஸோ எனிவேஸ், இதை பற்றி தான் நியூஸ்லேயே திருப்பி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்காங்க. உங்களுக்கு இதை பற்றி திருப்பி இங்கே மட்டும் உட்காந்து என்னத்தெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்க போகிறீங்க, நியூஸை பாருங்கடா, அது போருங்கடா, அது போரும், சரியா? தட் இஸ் இனஃப், இட் இஸ் மோர் தென் இனஃப். ஸோ இப்போது வாட் ஆர் யூ டூயிங் டு கில் யுவர் டைம்? அது வந்து ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். ஒரு டான்ஸரா என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க?
I don't dance much, okay? அது மட்டும் I have to be honest about. I don't dance much. Also because I live in an apartment and there's a middle-aged patient.
Oh, so you obviously can't, okay.
I can't bang and stamp, so it's okay. Yeah, even if I have to move, I just move by not making noise in it.
Right.
I read a lot.
Nice.
Yeah, a lot. So time goes in that.
So any book that you would probably recommend or something like that? ஏதாவது ஒன்று, one or two or
whatever. Deep books, okay. So yeah, Ants Among Elephants by Sujata Gitla. It's yeah, correct. Ants Among Elephants by Sujata Gitla.
Okay.
It's a Dalit literature. It's very beautifully written, very moving.
I see.
Yeah. So yeah, I've been reading deep books. So
go for
and
it.
Also a lot about female anatomy.
Interesting. Tell me more.
Yes. So I use menstrual cups.
Okay. Yes, I saw the story about it.
Yes. So I talk about it to women who message me, and I even talk on Instagram about it.
You had also put about this in your stories.
Yeah, and I thought, and most of these women, including me, I really need to still know a lot about female anatomy. I mean, because it's my body. So yes, so I'm reading a book which is very. It's called Self-Care Down There.
Okay, nice.
Very nice book. Yeah, and then of course Ponniyin Selvan.
Of course.
My husband has read the English and the Tamil, so I read the English out to him because I am reading it. So lovely. He knows everything. He just lives through the story, imagining. He is a huge fan of Kalki sir.
Nice.
Sir in solla kuda na I'm not to idu Kalki R Krishnamurthy. So yes. Yeah. So reading a lot and எனக்கு வீட்டு வேலை பண்றது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஃப்ரம் சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே, சாரி நாட் ஃப்ரம் சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே, சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே வீட்டு வேலை பண்றது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஸோ அண்ட் from the time I moved to Chennai, I've never had a maid in the house. So that way it doesn't seem different to me because எப்படியும் பண்றதா I'm just repeating.
Right.
The only thing is both of us, after we got married, we've never stayed together for such a long time. Either I'm traveling or he's traveling. Mostly I'm traveling.
Yeah.
So அதெல்லாம் ஆனதுனால now we've got some time to just be under the same roof for a good amount of time.
Lovely. That's lovely.
So அந்த மாதிரி and he writes, so he has been writing this series called Diya, in which I am Diya.
Namaskaram. This is Ottapalam Chandrasekharan Diya. Diya's father, the world famous in Ottapalam, army man Mr. Chandrasekharan, was a great man. He used to say, cleanliness is next to Guruvayurappan. Diya's favorite hobby is, no prizes for guessing, cleaning the house. At least 108 times a day. On the rare occasion when she is happy and satisfied that her house is clean, she visits her childhood friend Agikku Amala. Of course, to clean Amala's house. Diya's second favorite hobby is changing her phone lock pattern. On Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, the pattern is, and on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, it is. On Sundays, she removes her phone lock. Diya's third favorite hobby is cutting vegetables. She, like her father, the world famous in Ottapalam, army man Mr. Chandrasekharan, loved potatoes and tomatoes. Father and daughter used to sing the famous Mallu song. Potato will rendu tea, tomato will rendu tea, potato will rendu tomato will rendu. We have searched the internet thoroughly, but unfortunately, no one seems to know the great poet who wrote this song. Oh no! Diya's fourth favorite hobby is arranging clothes. Her father, the world famous in Ottapalam, Army General man Mr. Chandrasekharan, did not have this problem. because he had 7 white shirts and 7 khaki pants. Unfortunately, Dia has many more. By now you must know what a great perfectionist Dia is. But look at what this penguti is doing now. Poor Dia. She knows only how the useful things should be, but does not know how the waste should be. Please segregate waste. You will save the nation, Pillare. We promise to teach Dia. You promise to teach yourself, alle?
And we shoot small episodes of it.
I have seen snippets of it. We even put it up on Instagram and as well, right?
Yeah, so that we're doing. And what else? I do china artwork. I upcycle things and make art.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You'll have to probably share some of those work with me if you can. Like I'd love to like probably just put it up as a picture somewhere in the video and stuff.
Yeah, okay, yeah, sure, I'll do that. What else am I doing? Actually, most of the times I'm just staring.
Please explain. This deserves explanation, okay?
You know, there are, and some afternoons, எனக்கு சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து எங்க அம்மா மத்தியானம் தூங்கினா திட்டுவா.
Okay.
பா சோம்பேறி ஆயிடும் மத்தியானம் தூங்காத. Okay, so அது ஒரு மாதிரி it's coming to the body.
Right.
By mistake ஒரு 2-3 நாள் தூங்கினேன் ஒரு மாதிரி எனக்கு oh my god what the hellங்கிற மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு ஓகே எனக்கு self guilt எல்லாம்.
Right.
Because it's just instilled in me, that's it. My mother is super active. என்னோட active அவங்க. So எனக்கு வந்து so afternoons I just sit in the hall and I'm just staring at the fan.
Right.
And I'm trying to learn this art of staring from Mr. Vedarod. அவர் வந்து they are all as scientists they have understood the power of staring in order to get the aha moment in their research. In order to arrive seamlessly in the aha moment of their research. So yeah, and I also figured that staring really helps the flow of my imagination for some reason. அது வந்து conscious எனக்கு I've never stopped and of course you don't realize it. But then I've seen a change in the way I look at things, in the way I have a stand about things, etc. Yeah, so that, and then I cook, of course. We all have to cook now. ஒண்ணும் பண்ண முடியாது. And it's actually 3 meal cook பண்றேன்.
We've been planning for the meal. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் டக்குனு லாக்டவுன் ஆயிப்போச்சு. Hey, you come no, where it is? Every time I would come, you go off somewhere.
Exactly.
And Bangalore இருக்கேன். அப்போக்கு.
Yeah, so இதெல்லாம் ஆனதுனால.
Nice, sir.
Yeah, but apart from that, yeah, I work out a bit. அதெல்லாம் ஆஹா ஓஹோன்லாம் ரெஜிமென்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, ருட்டீன்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது.
Fair.
Really, some days I'm sick and I really cannot get out of the bed like I told you. So those days are just like, okay, one full day runs. Okay, no problem. அவ்வளவுதான். So yeah, it's okay. And really there are some days I don't do anything and I tell Ved, நீ ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணலனா ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணலையா அப்படிமா. And I'm thinking, hey, then I was talking about this survival, right? I was like, yeah. எழுந்த நடந்த வந்து படுத்துட்ட நீயே போத்திட்ட. Oh, big things these are.
That's
so,
one way of looking at it.
And so it's okay, really. Like I do not want to do 21 days and all that. And of course, yeah. Oh, I'm learning. I have learned German. So level 1. So I'm revising that level 1. I did it in Max Muller in Bangalore.
Okay, so
July there's a course that begins in Chennai Max Muller. If things are better and they open, I want to join the A1 course. A1 is A1, their first level. Because I did 10 years ago my previous level, so they won't take me to the second level directly.
Okay.
So I thought, there's a beautiful app for actually people who want to learn languages. It's called Duolingo.
Dude, I actually made one lame joke out of it. Please go for it. Finish it. Finish it.
So it's called Duolingo.
Okay.
It's fun. It's really good, and I feel that's like a good revision session for me before I enroll.
So how does it work? As like you just install it and you insert the.
Yeah, you just install it, and they have pictorial exercises. They let you type. And they'll dictate a word, and you have to recite it back. It's very interesting, and I'm practicing German with that.
Okay, I had to actually
ஆச்சு.
install Meets today on one of my other devices for this class that I had to take, and that thing came in, and I was just making one brilliant joke out of it. ஏ கும்பலாக சுத்துவோம் நாங்க ஐயோ எம்மன்னு கத்துவோம் கத்துறன்னு கேட்டா உன்னை வாயிலேயே குத்துவோம் எங்க டூலிங்க எல்லாம் பயங்கரம். Oh god, no man. Yeah. So there was that. So what?
இவ்வளவு விஷயம் சொல்லிட்டேன் போறோம். Some days துணி துவைச்சு வாஷிங் மிஷின்ல இருந்து ஒரு நாள் எடுக்கவே மாட்டேன். Then I'm like, உணத்தணும்.
Dude, that used to be me during my bachelor days, okay? Because obviously, கலாச்சேத்துல இருக்கும்போது you have to wear kurta pajama and go, and kurta veshti and go, okay? And so என்ன ஆகும்னா, so Saturday and Sunday was the only time that you were getting to yourself to do all the laundry business and house cleaning and all that stuff. தனியாக வர இருந்தேன்னா அப்போ அதை எடுத்து போடும்போது there was one day, Saturday, I had this stare moment because when you were just literally talking about it, I was like, please explain more, because I was just looking at a wall, just staring. பார்த்துட்டே இருந்தேன். When I saw the watch, it was some 1 or something, okay? I kept staring, then I looked back at the watch again, it was like 1:45 or something. I'm like, yay! எப்படா நடந்தது இந்த checking out? ஒண்ணுமே புரியலையே. Then I realized there was the washing machine running on the other end, and ஏதோ 11 மணிக்கு போட்டதோ ஏதோ something like that. Somewhere from 3 o'clock only, I was like slowly putting it and like hanging all the clothes on top to wash. Oh god, yeah.
So some days I'm like, துணி உணர்த்திட்டு வந்தா wow, பெரிய வேலை பண்ணிட்டேங்கிற மாதிரி. Bed spread change பண்ணா பெரிய வேலை பண்ணிட்டேன். So I think these things have really told me. I know,
it's the small things have suddenly started mattering so much, no?
A lot.
Yeah.
Actually, நான் வந்து இதை விட ஆக்டிவா தான் இருந்தேன், okay, before the lockdown, I must say. And I don't blame the lockdown for making me கொஞ்சம் laid back. I think it's okay, and I'm ரொம்ப graciously I'm accepting this. I will not call it lazy. Even if I call it lazy, other ஹாப்பியா தான் நான் calling it lazy. It's okay. அது வந்து it's not like ஐயோ மண்டை போற அளவுக்கு நான் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிட்டேனே, I can't go back to the routine. No.
அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது.
I mean, see, because I work this way. I just need to turn the what is it called, regulator கொஞ்சம் இந்த பக்கம், that's all. Because I figured this works for me, okay, no problem அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. So and also நான் நிறைய விஷயம் சொல்லிட்டேன். ஸோ இது நான் சொன்ன விஷயம்லாம் ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு பண்ணி அதையே ரிப்பீட் பண்ணலாம் இன்னொரு 3 வாரத்துக்கு.
I know, it's one of those loops that you can keep going on and on. Life is good, life is so much better. Go back to the routine again.
So many people message me on Instagram, and actually I did a small social media detox for like few weeks during this lockdown. It was very good. I've never done it in my life ever.
Right.
Never ever. So it did good to me. It was very nice.
Right.
So so சின்னதா எல்லாம் பண்ணலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I thought I was just telling Ved நான் மௌனவிரதம் இருக்கேன் ஒரு நாள் அப்படின்னு. He said, but அன்னைக்கு ஃபோன் பார்க்க கூடாது அப்படின்னா. I said, that's true. Yeah, that's true. So he said, start with not looking at the phone but talking.
That.
Then you do not looking at the phone and not talking. Like that you increase. I said, okay. அவ்வளவுதான். So
seriously.
So and also spending time with him has been very enriching, I must say. We discuss a lot of things. He reads a lot. So really எங்க வீடு வந்து நான் மினி லைப்ரரியா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணலாம். just books ஓட சின்ன ஸ்மால் ஃப்ரான்ச்சைஸியா தான் நான் வந்து I can either. So he gives me a lot of book suggestions, movie suggestions. I have to thank Mr. Netflix, Mrs. Hotstar.
Hey, they are my best friends.
Their debut next Amazon Prime. So இவங்கெல்லாம் இல்லாம ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. And of course I binge watch cooking videos on YouTube. அதுல நான் வந்து ஒரு டிஷ் பண்ண மாட்டேன்.
And the same here.
But I will watch.
That is me and my mother. We watch all types of this thing recipe. அதெல்லாம் எப்படி பண்ணானா அது எப்படி பண்ணா மா அந்த ஒரு டிஷ் இருக்கு அதெல்லாம் பாருன்னு சொல்லிட்டு then what we'll have தயிர் சாதம். Though தயிர் சாதம் is a lot of love, but that's what it is.
Do you cook? Are you helping Amma at housework?
Not now, but I cook for survival. Like I'm one of those people, like I can cook decently, but I'm one of those people. No, so what happens with me, midway I'll cook and all with full passion I'll start, okay, and then midway once it starts, then I get very lazy. I'm like, what is this, dude? We are only cooking and we are only eating, dude. The pantenada I was the end of prayojanam. I actually learned it because of my bachelor days. Vadilama, I started learning it, and
that's good.
Amma came and just taught me things and stuff, and then I slowly figured out. But
No, I was just thinking. Yeah, no, go ahead, sorry.
So அதுதான் அப்படி பெரிய I have not had like an insane thirst with cooking and all. Whatever little I've cooked during my those and the 2.5 years of me, because the first 2 years I somehow managed. After that, Amma just came down and she was just like, okay, this is how you do basic things. So basic I can like somehow get things together and stuff like that. But adume, that is now I've like come to the point, right? Like when someone's asking me to come to the amma nijama pannanuma illa na pandra prachana illa mudiyave illana na pandren na vedam, and she also understands, and that also happens. There are times when she goes sick and stuff like that. Appa takes care of it, and I just like help him with small things. Otherwise we just order mostly. It's just convenient for her. Whatever it is, we'll just cook and we'll keep it ready. Other things we just order. We're like, it's okay, no matter, paravalla paathukalam solittu. But that's pretty much been it. My taste with cooking has been very limited, but it's been decent. Okay, enak panna varum, enna pannonu theriyum. So
no, that's good. And I think it's important to help women at home right now. சில வீட்டில் வந்து இட்ஸ் ரியலி டஃப். அண்ட் மை அபார்ட்மெண்ட் ஹஸ் நிறைய குழந்தைகள் இருக்கிற அபார்ட்மெண்ட் இது. ஸோ ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் இமேஜிங் அண்ட் ரியலி ஹேட்ஸ் ஆஃப் டு த கிட்ஸ். இட்ஸ் அவங்க பாவம் சம்மர் ஹாலிடேஸ்ல ஐ மீன் ஃபார் தெம் வெளியிலயும் நம்ம வி கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் அண்ட் பி பசங்களுக்கும் ரியலி ஹேட்ஸ் ஆஃப் டு தெம். இட்ஸ் டஃப். எவ்வளோ நேரம் லைக் பா really it's not easy for them also, but they're very, they're being really understanding, I must say.
Yeah, I think a lot of them, so, I think kids don't have an idea of what is actually happening, but they know that they shouldn't step out because something very scary is happening. So I think that's a good
exactly
place.
Exactly, the chinna pasangalukku puriyumbodhu
why can't pullingos understand? What are you people doing?
So I recently only understood what this pullingo is. Idu enna enak therinjirukla. I saw one video. Yeah, exactly. So I bought it, and I'm like, ennatha ilukkranga. Then I'm like, oh, not pullingo, ivangala pullenga. But I'm very late to the party. But
yes, yeah. Welcome.
But I will exit first, okay?
They are the national treasures who nobody wanted.
But now everybody wants them this.
Because it's just entertainment for people now.
Oh, ba. Yappa. பார்த்து என் தலையை சுத்திருச்சு என்னடா இதுன்னு.
It's quite crazy. Like there was one recent this thing that came out. Okay, this happened to the Tirupur police. This thing it became quite. You saw that? No, God, dude, what an insane video, dude. You saw that guy trying to get out of the window and all, dude. I'm like, yarangana. Yeah, dude, but you'll actually not believe there are idiots on social media who are like, you probably get a satisfaction by just seeing people getting thrashed. I'm like, no, it's idiots who are stepping out and who are getting their ass busted, and everybody's going to laugh at them.
No, okay. And they're on a highway. 3 பேரு ஹெல்மெட் இல்லாம 3 பேர் ஒரு வண்டில.
What, such people you don't laugh means what? You'll feel pity for them. No, they don't deserve any pity. I'm sorry.
Yeah, and you actually அந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தப்ப I was thinking, okay, இந்த 3 பேர் இந்த வீடியோ வைரல் ஆகிறது பார்த்து அவங்க ஹியூமிலியேட் ஆகி அவங்களோட மென்டல் ஸ்டேட் ஆக போகுது அப்படிலாம் யோசிச்சேன் வேற நான். But then I'm thinking இவங்க பண்ண தப்பு. Look at the police who are standing there இந்த வெயில்ல. அவங்க நின்னுட்டு இது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. But we don't know. They made this video to make people understand that day இப்படி பண்ணீங்கன்னா இப்படி நடக்கும்.
இல்ல I think the 3 guys were not a part of it. They were made a part of it. I think the guy inside and all was like obviously orchestrated and stuff.
No, but அவங்களுக்கு வேற வழி இல்ல பாவம். police officersக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அவங்க?
Yeah.
And when I see my apartment securities, அவங்க வேலை பண்ணிட்டு தான் இருக்காங்க. அவங்க வீட்லயே வேலை வந்து நம்ம இதுக்கு வெளியில தான் இருக்காங்க அவங்க வெயில்ல. Oh my God, really? I have something for apartment securities because all my life I've lived in an apartment, even in Bangalore.
Right.
So I've seen my mother feed these securities, okay, regardless. Okay. Daily காலையில டீ போட்டா ஒரு டம்ளர் டீயும் பன்னும் இது கொடுப்பாங்க. So my mother has been like this. Lovely. So I've seen that because நாங்க 3வது மாடியில இருந்தோம் ஜெயநகர்ல பெங்களூர்ல. No lift. So எங்களுக்கு அது up and down பழகிச்சு. So she'll make tea, I have to go down and give. So அந்த மாதிரி ஆனப்போ when I came here and I saw, and of course you can't expect people to really do things for them, but it's what you feel. அவ்வளவுதான். It's நான் பண்றேங்கறனால it's not right to say நீங்க ஏன் பண்ணிடலன்னு, but it's okay to at least enquire. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க, என்ன பண்ணிட்டீங்க கேட்கணும். டீ குடிக்கிறீங்களா, something. Okay, உங்களால முடியலனாலும் you give him no 10 bucks. he will do something. He'll buy tea sachet and take it home.
ஒன்றும் இல்லை, வீட்டில் வர இப்போ அயன்காரரோ அந்த மாதிரி யாராவது வந்து அயனுக்கு துணி கொடுக்குற மாதிரி இருந்தீங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 25 ரூபா கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா கூட அது ஒரு பெரிய விஷயம். 80 ரூபா பில்லுக்கு ஒரு 120 ரூபா கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா தப்பே கிடையாது.
ஆக்சுவலி இந்த சின்ன விஷயம் பண்றதே பெரிய கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன் at a point like this. You really don't need to step out and physically do things. ஒரு நலம் விசாரிக்கிறதுலயே பெரிய விஷயம் இருக்கு. So yeah, எனக்கு வந்து so I also like feeding these securities and I've been doing it before this lockdown also. இது தெரியல, ஏதோ சந்தோஷமா தான் இருக்கு பண்றதுல.
That's a very
also
good thing,
because it's come from my mother, I must say. I've seen my mother do this.
Totally.
அது எனக்கு பழகி இருக்கு because எங்க அம்மா இங்க வந்தப்போ the first day she became friends with the security. After we moved in full, I was like, oh, this is my mom. She's always been like this, right? Even in the
that is so sweet. That is so good.
Yeah, some things it's just that I mean I can't like dig in and explain. Yeah,
no, you don't have to. I think that's where the beauty of it also remains. ரொம்ப இறங்கி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா அதோட அழகுதன்மை போய்டும். So true, so true.
Yeah, but I think at this point I really want to for a moment think about people who don't have a roof above them and who are depending on food that comes to them and கடைகள் திறக்க முடியாம next live performance எப்போ இருக்க போகுதுன்னு தெரியாம இருக்கிறவங்க,
இல்ல அதாவது
many others. இவங்க எல்லாமே yeah, I hope really the world just brushes aside all the pavam that we have done to it and
இதையும் கடந்து வருவோம் ஒரு நம்பிக்கை.
It pains a lot when I read some stories, real stories and legit stories.
I'll be honest to you, this is actually one of the reasons why I've actually completely stopped watching the news.
I know many people have told this.
No, and this genuinely works because I'm somebody who first thing in the morning I get up, I brush my teeth, I'm checking what's on the news. Okay, I'm that guy. Okay, but I've actually stopped doing that for about 2 weeks now. Today morning I saw something and I was just like, holy shit dude, we are never going to learn. Which is why I was just like, draconian is the shiz. Like we need draconian laws to get ourselves back in place because there is always that one idiot who will bloody ruin it for everybody. So it's okay, if we have to bear the brunt, we'll bear the brunt, not a problem. So for the record, this is being shot at an earlier this thing and this will be uploaded later. Okay, Tamil Nadu government has actually announced like a proper lockdown in the sense that you can't get out without a pass. So if you're like riding somewhere and if you do not have a pass, it's a punishable offense and you'll actually be put to jail because the number of cases again in Tamil Nadu has increased. And why? It is because of our carelessness. It is because of because of stupid things that people do beyond this thing. So what do we do? See, you think which is why it totally gets on to me when people are just like, oh, kindness is the way. No man, we only deserve sticks. Okay, because we love and us as Indians, like, and we even told this in one of my other videos as well, we love theatrics, dude. We like ஒரு பட்டு கத்துண்டு meaning only if we see one of our neighbors bloody coming in one hazmat suit and being dragged out of his house to like being admitted in the hospital, will we actually realize the seriousness of this, ஏன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு புரியறதே இல்ல, பைத்தியக்கார பையனுக்கு மாதிரி they are going.
So from the Greater Chennai Corporation, we have one lady who comes every single day to my apartment door and asks, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க, காஃப் இருக்கா, கோல்ட் இருக்கா?
Are you serious?
Yeah, like GCC Greater Chennai Corporation has appointed or அவங்களோட employees தான், they have been assigned few areas la in the or whatever. Every day I have a ring from her.
Dude, that's so cool.
Yeah, she comes and she asks, any cough irka, neenga eppadi irkeenga, idu one day sometimes mental health patti kuda phone panni kekranga some of them. One of my relatives was telling. Lovely. So avanga they had just come back from idu and they were self quarantined, avanga veetla they had put a sticker. Right, so daily phone panni nalam vicharikranga.
Hey, that's
how are you alla ketittu mental health patti kuda kekranga. So see, when GCC is doing so much, you can't go and panic buy at Coimbatore today like that.
Dude, I'm telling you, see, காய்கறி வாங்குறத கூட I can எதுவும் ஒன்று இல்லை. Not like it's an excuse for me to leave you, let you go, but ஏதோ ஒன்று சரி வாங்கி தொலைகிற வச்சு தொலைன்னு. There are people but is stocking up like meat, dude, out of everything. I have nothing against non-vegetarians, okay? I have completely nothing against non-vegetarians, but dude, like really, like I don't know, because I saw and I'm telling you, dude, I like I was so hurt by it, I didn't want to take a picture of it. Because it happens to bang opposite to my house, okay?
No, stocking up anything is wrong at this point, okay? So, and anyway. So, see, just because this happened, I'm not going to say, people, stop eating non-veg. That's when things will... No, that is not the solution here. Okay, அது வந்து அதுக்கு good breeding அதுக்கெல்லாம் வேற டெக்னிக்ஸ் எடுக்கணும். Okay, so you can't really, and to be honest, animals தெரியாது population control பத்தி. Okay, if you're gonna tell okay don't kill animals இதுனா they'll keep producing, but you should really know what to do. The right kind of rearing and all these things is important. It's very easy to tell நீங்க நான்வெஜ் நிறுத்துங்க எல்லாம் சரியாயிடும் அப்படின்னு. சில ஃபேமிலிஸ்க்கு சின்ன வயசுல அதுதான் ஃபுட். அவங்க வீட்டு சாப்பாடை பத்தி நீங்க கமெண்ட் பண்ணாதீங்க. That's wrong.
That's strong. No. See, I'm actually not getting that. What I'm saying is
correct. I know what you're saying.
அந்த ஒரு 35-40 மச்சா, it wasn't like some chota mota crowd and all மச்சா. இது இந்த தரிசனத்துக்கு கோவில்ல லைன்ல நின்னுட்டு இருப்பாங்க பாத்திருக்கியா, அந்த மாதிரி people are lining up and stocking up and taking it. ஏன்னா ஒரு 4 நாளைக்கு மூடிட போறாங்களாம்.
See, I understand like some in the smaller areas, okay, like சின்ன சேரி அங்க இந்த ஏரியாஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கிறவங்க I understand, அவங்க பயந்துருவாங்க. அவங்க பயம் வரும், கோயம்பேடுல போய் வாங்கிடலாம் அப்படின்னு போயிடுவாங்க. ஓகே, பட் ஐ திங்க் ஐ டோன்ட்.
ஓகே, ஸோ அதுதான் நிறைய விஷயங்கள், நிறைய டிஸ்கஷன்ஸ், ஆல் தி திங்ஸ். ஸோ what movies are you catching up on? What TV shows are you catching up on?
I've been watching a lot of Balachandar movies,
Lovely
serials. Oh, that
get
man
me started.
He's the bop. Satyama. Like one of my friends said.
Satyama.
He's the bop.
Satyama.
Oh my god, the kind of films he has made. And actually நான் யூடியூப்ல ஏதோ ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் வரும்ல என்ன பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு. ஃபியூ இந்த லாக்டவுன்ல அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஃபியூ மந்த்ஸ் ago கல்யாண அகதிகள் ஆப்ஷன் வந்தது.
ஓகே,
have you watched that film?
No,
it's called கல்யாண அகதிகள்.
ஓகே, இது எந்த வருஷத்துல ரிலீஸ் ஆனது
தெரியல. அண்ட் சரிதா, what a masterpiece of an actress.
ஓகே, சரிதா நடிச்சிருக்காங்க.
Oh my god, so full addict. So I am a big Balachandra addict right now.
Sama.
Of course, that man is a genius. And I watched a lot of interviews of him and all that. Very nice it was.
Right.
Apart from that, I watched movies. Very recently, I watched Varane Avashyamundu.
Oh yeah, I actually wanted to watch that.
Very beautifully done film.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and also one of our very close friends, Anne, she's dubbed for Kalyani Priyadarshan in that film.
Oh, lovely. I see.
So it was very nice. So I also wanted to see how it is and all that. Very nice. Very, very, very feel good film.
Oh, that's lovely.
அதுதான் ரொம்ப ரீசெண்டாக பார்த்தேன். அண்ட் ஆஃப் லேட் ஐவ் பீன் லவ்விங் வாட்சிங் மிடில் ஏஜ்ட் ஆக்டர்ஸ் ஃபால் இன் லவ் ஆன் ஸ்க்ரீன்.
யாரு மூவி நேம்?
Lot of people. I watched and Neeraj Kabi's story in Taj Mahal 1989. Very nice. And I watched once again.
Fantastic actor, yeah. I loved him in Sacred Games. It was really good.
நான் ஆக்சுவலி அதை பார்த்ததில்ல. Of course, I binged watch Money Heist.
Nice.
Then, yeah, I've been watching lots. Some days are just Tamil comedy.
Okay.
Some days, and in Netflix, I've been watching a lot of women-centric films, series, etc.
Like?
A friend suggested Sony. It's a cop story, and I love cop stories. Especially with female cop stories. I am a thriller addict. எனக்கு வந்து any kind of thriller எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
Nice.
Then I watched another suggestion from a friend was Made in Heaven in Amazon Prime.
Oh dude, what a show, dude. What a show. Like it's just amazing, like how everybody is so flawed in that. That is
the elite, that too.
Very level writing that is. Chance. That was a lovely show.
So Yeah, that was good. Then I watched Laila M on Netflix.
Okay.
Very
Okay.
it was very it was a new storyline.
It was a new storyline.
New.
I think, to me, what I personally felt was, I just felt that production value should have been like much more upped and stuff.
Yeah, but I just felt the girl. I felt the girl.
Yeah, that
For me,
agreed,
I
that
watch it
agreed.
for that.
That I agree.
அவ யாரு அவ நானா இருந்தா என்ன இருக்கும்
Yeah,
so for me
totally. No, so that's the
yeah.
thing, right? Like, this thing of an apocalyptic India was obviously, to one side of the political faction, is one thing that people are arguing
So
about.
not Leela. I'm talking about Laila.
Wait, I think we're talking about the wrong this thing.
Not Leela. Laila.
Oh.
This is இத வந்து யாரும் பாத்துக்க மாட்டாங்க. Leela is what she acts.
Huma Qureshi.
Huma Qureshi. It's not that.
Okay,
this is another one called Laila. Okay, so it's very nice.
Netflix la irukka? Netflix thana?
Netflix la irukku.
Okay.
It's called Laila. It's very nice. And I started watching another called Caliphate.
Dude, yeah. It's about
yeah, group of women they meet for the ISIS idla.
Yeah.
So I think what gives me kicks is this female centric writing these days.
Yeah, totally. Dude, then
and
you should
not
watch
letting the female being
Macha, then you should totally watch Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. You'll love it.
Oh, on Amazon Prime. Yes, put it on watch list. I'll watch. She becomes a stand-up
so
comic
it's
or something,
about
right?
her.
Yeah.
So she's naturally funny, okay, but circumstances make her go to the stage once, and then she realizes she can actually make a profession out of this, and she'll have another person who's a female manager, and it's about how they are trying to fight all the odds of the system at that point in America, because it's a period drama, and how she's trying to become a stand-up comic. And how
correct. Yeah, I read.
And yeah, oh man, it's again such a well-written show. You know, like it's getting it right. You know, சும்மா இஷ்டத்துக்கு நாங்கள் எடுக்கிறோம்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒன்றும் எடுக்காத மாதிரி அப்படி இல்லாமல் நல்ல ஒரு திசையில் எடுத்துன்னு போய் தே ஷோ ஹவு ஷீ ரீடிஸ்கவர்ஸ் ஹர் செல்ஃப் என்டையர்லி அண்ட் தெர் ஆர் பிளேசஸ் வேர் ஷீ ஸோ ராங் ஆல்சோ. அப்படியே she looks like
that's important to be in the storyline. It's very important.
And there are lots of places where she royally just botches things up for herself, okay? And dude, what a show, dude. Again a lovely show.
I'll watch.
Totally you should watch it. You'll love it. Kandipa super.
Yeah, and I love watching Shilpa Moodby sing on Instagram. Urban Folk Project ne everybody must listen to her sing.
Okay.
So she sings her party kitta kathunda Kannada songs.
I see.
Okay, it's the North Karnataka dialect.
Nice.
Shilpa Moodby ne Urban Folk Project.
Okay.
So she has a idu called Yellama and Stories abdine. So I love watching her.
So idu edula Instagram la irukmo YouTube?
It's on Instagram. It's on Instagram. So she explains the song, and the songs are very moving.
Lovely, yeah.
Very so, and I also like so beautiful vandu she keeps singing during the lockdown, and I loved listening to even Karthik Hebbar. Every day he did like a poetry reading and discussing about some stories abdine.
Yes,
that was very nice.
Yes,
I also liked I'm a huge fan of Ayyo Shraddha.
Oh,
she's hilarious. Her content is just so good.
Did you see Danish Seth on Instagram right now?
I haven't watched that on the gas cylinder
I
haven't watched. Like Shraddha's content. Yeah, like Shraddha's content is just very true and very hard hitting, and I know it'll hurt one section of men when she did that Grihini or Grihachara and all that. Or in general, whatever it is.
Nice.
Oh my god, too funny. Okay, like content is just applicable.
So this
highly universal.
So this guy's this
thing is
I've
not watched
this
Danish
guy's
story.
this thing is like how like Bangalore boys will like talk to each other and things like that. Oh macha, that thing has happened after. Hey, scene bro, nothing. It is so well done, dude.
I've heard this Nagraj though.
Oh yeah, so this Bakri thing is also something very similar to that. Okay, he's like given one voice to that Bakri, and then he just goes about talking the life of a Bakri. Okay, it's hilarious, dude. You totally watch it. But I understand where you are coming from. But I think Danish is one of those people who's very aware of what he's putting across.
Yeah, totally. No, I'm sure all of them are. Okay, now I'm still trying to understand.
Right.
What is sensitivity in humor, etc.
Fair.
தெரியல. I think because I've started reading a lot, நிறைய விஷயங்கள் கொஞ்சம் புரியுது and slow-ஆ open up ஆகுது, and yeah, I think the slowdown has done good, and I think every artist must get into this slowdown. அவங்க எப்போ whenever it
Whenever
hits
it
them
can works,
and
yeah.
just that many of them feel ஐயோ ஒன்னும் பண்ணிடலையே.
இல்ல இப்ப வழி இல்ல.
No, even now I know some of them who like ஐயோ I'm not doing anything, I'm not being இது
ஒண்ணும் பண்ண
அப்படின்னு.
முடியாது.
So yeah, தெரியல. I mean of course they will arrive at their ease.
Yeah.
But I realize that it's okay. It's absolutely okay. No problem.
பாத்துக்கலாம். வரும்
உயிரோட இருக்கோம்ல. Okay.
அவ்வளவுதான். That's what's important.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
So yes, on that note, some last parting words you want to say?
First of all, thank you Vignesh. நான் வந்து I was super skeptical about doing this.
Thank you for putting this on board.
No, like I said, I'm not a person into talking and all that. I'm good at talking in class with students. But அங்க வந்து அப்படியே ஃப்ளோ ஆகும். டக்க டக்க டக்கான்னு ஜஜஜஜன்னு வரும் அப்படியே ஒரு ராஜதானி எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் மாதிரி. இங்க வந்து generally these things I tend to divert, I tend to talk about random memories, etc. But it was nice to revisit.
Yeah.
And that being your intent behind this video.
Yes.
And this conversation.
Yes.
So thank you so much for spending time in knowing the things and the weird things that I do in life.
Yeah.
You also keep doing weird things, and everybody keep doing weird things. It's important to be weird.
All of you, don't step out of the house. Sit and eat nice food at home. Enjoy home food. Home food aya namaha.
Yeah. I think it's important to respect the real heroes out there.
Yeah,
all our healthcare workers.
Yeah, totally.
The police force, our delivery team.
Totally.
Everybody who's out there who has all the rights to be at home with their family.
Totally.
So they are out because they want to serve us in a very genuine way.
Kandipa.
So I think the only thing we can do and the easiest thing that mankind can do is to just be.
Like
I think
யோசிச்சு பாருங்களேன், ஒரு இதுக்கு வேக்சின் கண்டுபிடிக்கல. ஸோ அதுக்கு அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க, இதுக்கு ஒரே கியூர், இப்போதைக்கு தெரிஞ்ச கியூர் வந்து நீங்க புத்திக்கின்னு வீட்டில் உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கணுங்கிறாங்க. ஐயோ அது கூட பண்ண முடியலைங்களாடா அவங்களால.
Yeah, so I think when we see developing countries acting stupid, developed. When we see developed countries acting stupid, I think as developing countries we must really understand that that's not going to do any good to us.
Yeah, true.
And
that's actually very true.
Yeah, so please let's not, I don't want to name anybody anything, we know everything. So நம்ம சரௌண்டிங் அதான் சேஞ்ச் ஸ்டார்ட், சேரிட்டி பிகின்ஸ் அட் ஹோம் மாதிரி இங்க ஆரம்பிங்க. கான்சென்ட்ரிக் சர்க்கிள் மாதிரி போட்டோம் அது. அவ்வளோதான். ப்ளீஸ் இஃப் யூ ஆர் சிட்டிங் அட் ஹோம் அண்ட் புட்டிங் ஆன் வெயிட், இட்ஸ் ஓகே மேன். ஆஃப்டர் எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் ஓவர் யூ கேன் லூஸ் தட் வெயிட். இதெல்லாம் பெரிய பிரச்சனையா ஒரு ஐயோ இதுங்கிற மாதிரி டோன்ட் டூ ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ். அண்ட் சம் பீப்புள் ஆர் கோயிங் ரன்னிங் அட் 4 AM in the morning. Don't do these things. ஐயோ பாவ், வேற ஏதாவது பண்ணுங்களேன், இன் ஹவுஸ் ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆர் வாட் எவர். ஐ நோ சம் பீப்புள் கேனாட் லிவ் வித்வுட் இது, அண்ட் ஐ நோ இட்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டு ஒர்க் அவுட். ஐ எம் நாட் டினைங் தட், பட் இட்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு can we just like understand the surroundings and react to it?
Yes sir, tell me about it.
Yeah, so that's very important. And please, if there are people at home who are working morning to evening in the kitchen, taking care of the well-being of the house, etc., one day you please lend a hand. I think it's very very important. It can be anything. Divide some duties and do, and this is a good time to learn what is there in that corner of the house.
Yeah. Also that.
Okay, so yeah,
item and, locations.
Yeah, lot of things. And I figured that you can come up with things to do in the house. Definitely you can come up with new things that are not at all there in the internet. Anywhere.
I know.
Yeah,
like for instance this podcast, at least now listen to it. At least now you listen to it. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, do give this a listen. I know if you feel ஒரு மணி நேரம் உட்காந்து கேட்கணுமான்னு இருந்தா ஒரு 15 minutes 4 நாள் கேளுங்க. இதுக்காக
உங்க இஷ்டம்.
30 செகண்டுக்கு இப்போ பாட்காஸ்ட் ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணி விடணும்னு சொல்லாதீங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் திங் யூ நோ ஓகே டுடே சோ ஐ am in conversation with
நீங்க 1.5x ல கூட கேட்கலாம்.
கேலியா உன் பேச்செல்லாம் 1.5x ல கேட்டதுன்னா சுத்தம் அவ்வளவுதான், ஒன்றும் புரிய போறது. இல் பி லைக் ஒன் ராகா அலப்பனா ஹேப்பனிங் பட் விருத்தம் இந்த திஸ் திங் ஓகே. So somebody was like you should reduce it to some 50 minutes. I'm like okay, 50 minutes we reduce. After that the next person will tell 20 minutes. Next thing you know they'll tell 10 minutes and then they'll say reduce it to 30 seconds. Next thing you know you'll be like you just talk within yourself, you don't put anything. That time
Hey,
not
just
going
come
to do.
sneeze and go, man.
Go go. Anyways, so
Anyway, say
that
hi
was
to
this
my peacock.
episode.
Thank you.
Yes. And black is black, white is white. Life is happy without you, baby. When you smile, dear Sandhya, untala goba goba, untala tala tala.
All of us are grey, guys. அது மட்டும் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Super.
அந்த ரிதம் தான் டி ராஜேந்திரன், அந்த எனக்குள்ள ஒரு ரிதம். அதை இப்போ நீங்க கேமராவில் பார்க்க முடியல, உள்ளுக்குள்ளே என் கால் பீட்டு போகுது. அந்த என்கிட்ட ட்ரம் இல்லையே தவிர ஒரு ட்ரம் ஃபீல் அந்த இதுல வாழ்ந்தவன். அதனால டக்கு 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 டாடா டக் 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 டாடா ஒரு ஒரு ஷனாயா